Brent Thomas, Cooking with Brent, and tonight I'm doing Chipotle's Carne Steak Burrito Bowl review, so tune in right here, right now, everybody. Carne Arce looks like and everything in my burrito bowl. I already have mine delivered on Postmates. I also off this treat delivery on their app. You get Chipotle on Uber Eats, DoorDash, Seamless, Postmates, and everything as well, or you go pick it up. Okay? So let me show you how it looks like. There's the romaine lettuce, there's the steak, the rice, the corn, shredded cheese. Add my sour cream, or you can get yours however you want it. Okay? You see that? That's how it is, okay, in a burrito bowl, alright? You go to your local Chipotle, you could get it in a burrito, get it in a salad, or you get it in tacos as well, okay? Let's give a shout out to Chipotle and taste test from shall we? Taste test time. Here we go. You one more time. You see that? Look at that, okay? The sizes as well. Okay, fans? And now I'm showing you the measuring cups as well, alright? Give me a moment, please. Please bear with me, fans. Okay. Also, I have here is 1 cup, and this is my half a cup, 1/3 cup, and a quarter cup as well. Okay, season with salt and pepper. So I season up towards the end, alright? Cut the fire off, and it's all set. Taste test and do more in-depth analysis, shall we? Taste test time. Here we go. Delicious, flavorful, that's how it is, okay, everybody? You see that? That's how it is, okay? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the show, and now my carrot corn dogs are nice and done.